Too much clothes, but this I think will help me really decide, and then from here I might send some clothes home or bring some clothes when I travel for Christmas and not bring it back. I mean, I've got the space for it all. It just is like I'm definitely grabbing only certain items. Like I am definitely re-wearing a lot of the same clothes, which is great because now I think it's hard for me to accept that I bought clothes that I am not wearing. I just like really struggle with spending money on clothes and then later regretting buying that clothes, or I just like don't wear it as much. But I would like to love all the clothes I own and just only wear clothes I like, which a lot of this I do really like. But I would say, and it's hard when I'm changing seasons. Like right now it's winter and cold, but maybe when I'm down south I'm gonna want to be wearing summer stuff. It's just really hard to prepare and know. So I mean, luckily I have more than enough. Okay, organize living hard. That I'm aware of. Just about to leave my woofing job at the flower farm, and it's pretty snowy, but it's not actively snowing. I have to get some groceries and I'm gonna go do laundry. So I'm just gonna enjoy this day, and then I think I'll leave the snowy area. Just did all my laundry. A really awesome laundromat with Wi-Fi and like sitting area. So I did all that. I even brought my bin of clothes in so I could organize everything. It's pretty cold out. It's like 29. It's not that bad. So I'm getting ready to go to my camp spot tonight, and then I'm just gonna bundle up in my wool layers and get in my sleeping bag. I've got a couple options. I'm just gonna see which one feels the best. It's supposed to get too cold. It's supposed to only get like 24 tonight, so that's not that big of a worry for me. And then tomorrow I'm gonna see how much snow there is, and if there's quite a bit of snow, then I'll take the safe route. Otherwise I want to go through the mountains and find a hot springs maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I'm off to drive. This is my setup. It's probably really embarrassing, but honestly it's not that bad. Let's see here. Alright. Yep. I sometimes switch to sleeping. Here, I'll turn that down. I got these nice lights. I switch from sleeping with my head at the tailgate or my head towards the front. It honestly depends on how well I organized my clothes. But yeah. Definitely not staying in a wild campsite tonight. I'm in a parking lot. But it's not that bad, and I have earplugs. But I'm about to get all cozied up for bed. Might do a little reading. It's supposed to get cold tonight, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable. And the nice thing about this setup is the window covers should provide a... They have two sides. They can either be the reflection out or the black side out.
Thank you for watching another video. I had a lot of fun this last week, a lot of unexpected turns, but I am really excited to keep this going. I am expecting to do a little camper tour, maybe in one of the next videos, show everybody what I've got going on. I've definitely been getting some questions about certain things and how this lifestyle came to be. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments, or maybe on my Instagram I'll make a Q&A eventually to try and answer some questions. A lot of the questions, it seems like I've been trying to get towards this lifestyle for so long that some of it's second nature, and I just know some of the things that are happening, and I knew what to expect with showering and how to find camping and all this stuff, but I know that a lot of people don't. This isn't what they've been consuming forever, or for several years. I've just been consuming all this material, and I've taken a couple little trips, and it just ended up working out that I could finally get out here. But yeah, so subscribe if you want to see what I've got going on, and leave comments if you have questions. I really appreciate anyone who's watching. I'm definitely having fun with it, but I want to provide something for people that I know so they know what I've got going on, and I just want to show how you can do it, and if it maybe works for you, could be a cool lifestyle. All right, thank you.